CES didn't just show new gadgets this year, it crossed a line. AI systems drove cars, made decisions, and explained their own thinking in real time. No scripts or demo tricks. What was revealed shocked engineers and changed what machine intelligence really means. You see, AI dashboards show why it slowed, why it changed lanes, and what risks it calculated. This level of transparency has never been shown publicly before. Automakers confirm this tech is already being integrated into next-generation production vehicles. The message is clear: autonomy is no longer experimental. It is being normalized right in front of us. A humanoid robot then steps forward, makes eye contact, and starts holding a natural conversation. This is not a scripted chatbot moment. CES reveals new embodied AI robots that combine large language models with physical awareness. These machines understand tone, context, and intention while navigating real spaces. One robot assists a human by handing tools, adjusting its grip based on human motion. Another responds emotionally, changing facial expressions and voice cadence. Engineers confirm these systems are trained on both physical simulation and human interaction data. The shock comes when the robot adapts mid-conversation without cloud access. Processing happens locally, reducing latency and privacy risks. This is not a toy or a concept. These robots are scheduled for enterprise deployment within 2 years. Healthcare AI takes the stage next, and the room goes silent. AI-powered diagnostic systems now detect diseases from voice patterns alone. CES demos show AI identifying early signs of Parkinson's and depression by analyzing speech rhythm and breathing. No blood tests. No scans. Just conversation. Medical partners confirm clinical trials are already underway. Another system uses computer vision to analyze facial micro-expressions for stroke risk. Doctors explain that this could bring advanced diagnostics to remote regions instantly. The shock factor is not accuracy alone, but accessibility. Healthcare AI is becoming invisible, passive, and constant. Medicine is shifting from treatment to prediction. Then comes the home, and it no longer feels like a place, but a thinking system. AI-powered smart homes at CES show unified intelligence instead of isolated devices. The house learns routines, anticipates needs, and adjusts energy use dynamically. Lights, climate, and security respond to emotional cues, not commands. Voice is optional. Gestures and presence are enough. AI models run locally to prevent constant data streaming. One demo shows a home responding to stress levels by dimming lights and reducing noise. Another shows predictive maintenance, fixing problems before homeowners notice them. This is not smart home control, it is environmental intelligence. The home is becoming a silent partner. Personal AI assistants take a darker turn. CES reveals on-device AI companions that know your habits better than your calendar. These assistants summarize your life in real time, tracking tasks, conversations, and priorities. Unlike cloud-based assistants, these models live entirely on personal hardware. That means no internet dependency and no external data harvesting. The shock comes when assistants begin negotiating on your behalf. One demo shows an AI scheduling meetings, declining requests, and adjusting tone based on relationship history. This is no longer a tool, it is a delegated agency. The ethical questions ripple through the crowd instantly. Convenience now competes with control. AI-powered wearables steal attention next. Smart glasses at CES translate languages instantly while maintaining natural eye contact. Neural audio isolates voices in noisy rooms with uncanny precision. Some wearables monitor hydration, fatigue, and cognitive load in real time. Athletes test systems that adjust training intensity automatically. Office workers see focus metrics displayed subtly through lenses. The shock is how invisible the technology feels. No bulky hardware, no exaggerated gestures. AI blends into the body's rhythm. The line between human capability and augmentation blurs further. Manufacturing AI arrives with a warning tone. CES showcases factories run by predictive intelligence, not managers. Machines adjust production flows autonomously based on supply chain data. AI identifies failure days before they happen. Robots reprogram themselves without human intervention. One factory simulation shows zero downtime over months. Executives admit this will dramatically reduce human labor needs. The shock is not efficiency, but inevitability. Industrial.ai is moving faster than workforce adaptation. The future factory is quiet, precise, and almost entirely autonomous. Creative AI takes center stage and challenges identity itself. AI models at CES generate films, music, and art in real time based on audience reaction. Cameras track emotional engagement and adjust narratives dynamically. One demo creates a short film that changes its ending depending on crowd response. Artists collaborate with AI instead of directing it. The shock comes when creators admit the AI improves their work beyond original intent. Ownership becomes blurry. Authorship becomes shared. Creativity itself is being redefined. Security AI shifts the mood sharply. Surveillance systems now predict threats before actions occur. CES demos show AI detecting hostile intent from movement patterns alone. No weapons required. No facial recognition needed. Privacy advocates react instantly. Developers insist safeguards are built in. Governments quietly take notes. The shock is how subtle control becomes when prediction replaces reaction. Safety and surveillance merge into one algorithm. The future of security feels powerful and unsettling at the same time. Energy AI delivers one of the biggest surprises. Smart grids powered by AI balance renewable energy in real time. Homes sell excess power autonomously based on demand. EV charging networks negotiate pricing without human input. AI predicts blackouts before they form. One demo shows an entire microgrid adapting to a simulated storm. Energy becomes fluid, responsive, and intelligent. The shock is stability. Renewable energy finally feels reliable at scale. Education AI closes the main reveals with a personal punch. AI tutors adapt teaching styles to individual students instantly. Lessons shift pace based on facial cues and engagement. No standardized progression. No rigid curriculum. Students interact naturally, asking questions without fear. Teachers become guides instead of lecturers. The shock is equity. High-quality personalized education becomes scalable. Knowledge access shifts permanently. What truly unsettled experts, it says, was not the demos themselves, but how quietly mature the AI systems had become. Many companies admitted their showcased models were already 1 or 2 generations behind what they were running internally. Engineers revealed that what audiences saw was deliberately slowed down for safety and legal reasons. The real shock was realizing that consumer-facing AI is now the filtered version, not the cutting edge. This flipped the long-held assumption that innovation reaches the public as soon as it exists. At CES, the curtain briefly slipped. The gap between public AI and private AI has never been wider, and that gap is where real power now lives. Another major revelation came from how AI systems were coordinating across devices without cloud dependency. Several exhibitors quietly demonstrated mesh intelligence where phones, cars, wearables, and home systems shared context locally. This meant no constant internet connection, no data bouncing through servers, and almost zero latency. The implication is massive. AI no longer needs centralized control to feel intelligent. It can exist as a distributed presence around a person. Experts warned that this makes AI harder to regulate because it no longer lives in one place. Control becomes fragmented, invisible, and deeply personal. CES also exposed how AI is shifting from reactive to anticipatory behavior. Some systems were shown to adjust actions based on emotional microsignals rather than direct commands. Facial tension, posture shifts, vocal hesitations, and eye movement were being interpreted in real time. This was not marketed loudly, but developers openly discussed it in closed sessions. The shock factor came from how accurate these predictions already were. In several demos, AI acted before users realized they needed something. This raises profound questions about autonomy. When technology predicts intent better than humans understand themselves, choice becomes a gray area. One of the most controversial developments discussed offstage was AI negotiating with other AI systems. In energy management and logistics demos, algorithms were shown bargaining for resources without human input. These negotiations happened in milliseconds and optimized outcomes that humans could not manually design. While efficient, this introduces systems that make value judgments at machine speed. Experts warned that when AI negotiates priorities, it also negotiates consequences. Who gets power first, which systems shut down, and which services are protected becomes an algorithmic decision, not a moral one. CES also highlighted a growing divide between nations in AI capability. Several international delegations privately expressed concern that consumer tech shows now double as geopolitical signals. The hardware required to run advanced AI locally is becoming a strategic asset. Semiconductor design, thermal efficiency, and edge processing were quietly the most important exhibits. Analysts noted that the countries controlling these components effectively control the future of AI deployment. Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this conversation is just starting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more revelations into the technology reshaping your world, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.